So we're sat in the new sixth form centre here at Northwood College for Girls, which we've redeveloped over the last 6 months.
The idea of having a sixth form space has been something that we've been thinking about really for as long as I've been here, which is 6 years.
It was a significant project, both in terms of scale, but also in terms of importance. So we've worked with Envoplan on a number of projects here at Northwood College for Girls. We've looked at staff spaces, our main library, and also now the sixth form centre. And we've loved every minute of working with Envoplan, the professional and creative in equal amounts.
This space has been transformed. It used to be our food tech and textile space, and now it's this fantastic space for our sixth form girls.
I was so surprised when I saw the new sixth form area for the first time. It was so open and so different from the rest of the school that it really helped embed the feeling that we are new sixth formers and helps us feel really more independent.
The sixth form pavilion is divided into 2 floors. Downstairs we have the gym, the careers library and the offices of the sixth form team.
We are currently in the study side of the sixth form pavilion. It's the space where our sixth formers come to socialise and also to complete their work during their study periods.
And then you have more communal tables where you can revise together if you want to, and that helps with sharing ideas, and I think it's a really nice area.
The girls have got the balcony that they can go out onto, that they can watch the sport that's going on the lawn, which is lovely, and get some fresh air during their really busy days as well.
As weeks have gone on and we've kind of gotten more comfortable in the space, I can really feel like it's our own, and it's really nice to have that separation. And I think it also helps build the correct mindset of we're now a lot older and we're young adults and we're going to be moving on into the world. So I think that this is kind of a hub for that, at least in my experience with it.
Definitely, I think mindset is a really important thing to think about. As soon as you walk up the stairs in the morning, you see that pink neon sign with that motivational quote, you'll put in that mindset of, oh, this is going to be a productive day. And then as soon as you come into the building itself, you get that even more from all the colours and all the different spaces that you have to work in.
This is such a wonderful place to be. It's a really joyful place to visit. At times when I come here, the girls are chatting with their friends, it's really buzzy. And at other times you could really hear a pin drop as they're really focused on their work. I hope that they feel really valued. We've put this kind of time and effort into developing the space for them. Our sixth form is really important. It's a really busy time in their school lives. So making sure we make this investment into them, I think, has had a really, really positive impact.
I think it shows that they respect us and they value our space as sixth formers and understand that it is a step up and it is different from the rest of the year groups.
My classmates and I really enjoy using the space. We come in here as often as we can. We spend a lot of our time here.
I think everyone's really grateful for the area. It's so new and I think that we really utilise it well.
Well, one of the things that was really important to us actually was that the girls were really involved in the design process. We wanted it to be their space and we wanted it to be a space that they felt would really work for them in terms of both their learning and their social life in the school.
As we've grown up through the school, we've been lucky enough to see the development of so many different spaces in the school, such as the library that recently got refurbished. And now that we're in sixth form and we're able to have seen our ideas come into actuality in this building, it's really exciting to see, and it makes us feel really proud to be in the school that we're in.
The Girls' Day School Trust is a really forward-thinking educational organisation, and this space really encapsulates that. It's modern, it's fresh and it's creative.
As ever, Envoplan were an incredibly professional setup from start to finish, from the initial conversation, developing the concept, right through to project delivery, delivering the project on spec, on time and on budget. It would be fair to say that our vision for the sixth form centre has been fully realised by Envoplan and the wider project team. It's an absolutely phenomenal space. The staff love it, the pupils love it, and when I walk through the space, it's just fantastic to see that what started off as an initial conversation, a scribble on a piece of paper, has absolutely been fully realised. Northwood College for Girls is an incredibly exciting place to work and study, and Envoplan have been absolutely key in helping us to facilitate our vision for how we want the school to develop over the next few years.